Family, we are here at Benue Village. Family, this is the main road to Benue Village. And what you're looking at is nothing but land for straight nation building. Straight nation building. If you want to be a pioneer, you want to be a part of building something, you can come here, we can put in the roads, we can put in everything that we need, and it'll be all belong to us versus getting taxed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times every day for America to where they tax away our paychecks.
It's the first time I saw cats and dogs. No. They have a different, I don't understand it, but I thought cats, and automatically they're born knowing you don't attack the chickens or whatever. So be the cows. They don't really. You get little small children being their herdsmen. Yeah. So if a small child can handle them, I'm sure we can.
Yes, everything look very fertile. Like you can grow everything here. That you see in Jamaica and more.
Yes.
So what do we have here now? What kind of tree?
Cashew.
Okay.
So
a lot of land with cashew here.
Yeah. You know, this is farmland. It's only just now that people are putting up more houses. But when I moved here, all of this bush. Yeah.
And that's one of the misconceptions in America, that people in Africa are starving. And I just came from Ethiopia. I've been to Ghana many times, and there's food in abundance.
No.
And
even building, to build here, you see buildings going up everywhere. Oh, yeah. That means money. You see banks going up everywhere. That means money. The people are not poor and they're not starving. It's the West that has put in their minds that living there is the best thing. So everybody wants to live abroad and they don't appreciate what they have. Just like what they do to us what they did to us and what they continue to do, they make us not see what is really valuable. They sell us like cars and jewelry and all foolishness, and the land is what they deal with. Yeah. That's how the West has come here. They're trying to make the people think that the land is not valuable. Come to the West.
So they can take the land and do their own thing with it.
Because the
Damn
Chinese
devils.
and the everything.
Eurasians, it's a whole lot of Eurasians and everybody here.
You know,
everybody
we
but
can't
us.
complain. The thing about blacks or Nubians or whatever we're called, we will say, oh, the white man this and the Chinese this and the... But we are not doing nothing. You know, the European has been coming back and forth to Africa, getting malaria, building wells and all of this. And we're buying rims and gold teeth and stuff. So how can we complain about that? If they're coming to reap the benefits, they were coming to study. They say, you know, they always want something. So it's like they want to study where they want to conquer. Mm-hmm. They want to study the people. They want to see what's valuable. But now we have a chance. It's like, if we do it now, we won't be playing too much catch up. But we're always like behind in the game. Africa is one way that we could be ahead of the game, but it's not a lot of people that are ready to give up their luxuries for a little while.
And that's where pioneers like yourself and myself come in place.
Yeah, your land, it started where the blocks are, come in. This, they'll remove it. But yeah, so this will be your boundary. They've cut a boundary, so we'll go around that.
And this will be about 8 plots, right?
Yeah, or 8+.
Wow, that's a big one.